Alright, let's get into it. The question of whether Beam Wallet is banned in Nigeria is a very common one, and it gets to the heart of a lot of confusion around cryptocurrency in the country. The short answer? No, Beam Wallet is not banned. But that doesn't mean the crypto landscape in Nigeria is straightforward. It's actually quite complex, and it's important to understand the full picture. The misconception about a ban comes from a significant event that happened a few years ago. In 2021, the Central Bank of Nigeria, the CBN, issued a circular that directed banks and other financial institutions to stop facilitating transactions for cryptocurrency service providers. This created a lot of friction and made it very difficult to use crypto platforms with a regular bank account. It wasn't a total ban on owning crypto, but it was a massive hurdle. Since then, the situation has changed dramatically. The CBN revised its stance in late 2023, issuing new guidelines that now allow banks to provide services to virtual asset service providers, or VASPs, as long as they are licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. This was a complete policy U-turn. More recently, Nigeria has enacted the Investments and Securities Act of 2025, which officially recognizes digital assets as securities and puts the SEC in charge of their regulation. This has brought a new level of clarity and legitimacy to the crypto space. So, while Beam Wallet itself was never specifically banned, it, along with every other crypto platform, was operating in a very restrictive environment. Now, with the new laws and regulations, the operating environment is much clearer. Platforms that are licensed by the SEC can legally offer their services to Nigerians through official banking channels. The key takeaway is that the regulatory landscape is shifting from prohibition to regulation. This means more structure, more rules, and hopefully, more protection for users.